Welcome guys to my video. Today we're going to do a paper aeroplane. Let's go. Okay, I know my setup's not nice, but this is my first video, so let's get started. So for the materials we need is actually just the basic two papers and our hands. That's all is the basic I know. So first off, as the basic for the first aeroplane, we need to fold it like this. Then once ready, open it up. As you can see, the line is in the middle. Next up, fold two sides like a triangle shape. Just normal. Okay, this is the basic step. Next up, we need to flip the page. As you can see, this triangle, take this side and bend it into another triangle on the sides. Okay, if I'm doing too fast, you can pause the video anytime. It will come like this. Next up, from the back side, you need to take these two wings and put in the front. It will be like this, like a pyramid with like a diamond shining on top. Next up, take the top part, bend it down to this part. And I know it's taking too long, but we're almost there. Okay. Once ready, take and fold it like this. Become like this. Then to make the wings, take this and drop it down like this. Then flip it around, flip through it, and redo it. Once ready, you can see the middle part here. Just open up the wings, hold the middle, and your first aeroplane is done. Now, let's start the second aeroplane. The two aeroplanes will stick together and do much better. First off, bend it as the last aeroplane. Then open it up. As you can see, there's a line in the middle. Next up, two triangles aside, I know. Again. Don't worry if you cannot do perfectly. Once you can keep doing, you can do more better. Maybe even better than me. Perfect triangle shape. This time, not to turn flip back. We just take these two sides and as the last aeroplane, but except of turning the page, we just do it right here on top of the small triangle. Take another side and do it again, like same thing as another wing. After this is done, then just bend it. like this. I'll give you some time to bend. I know it's kind of hard to bend for the basic learners. Okay, now for the next step, we must make the wings happen. And make sure this top part of the wing must be attached to the down part like this. Like properly. I mean, yes, even it won't fly properly. I saw a lot of people do that mistake. Once done, turn to the next side and do it the same. Flip through it and redo it. Okay. And this, as the last step, we need to spread up the wings, hold the middle, and the second aeroplane is done. Before you see what's the final step, please like and subscribe the video for more. And we need another material which is also important for the last and final step to make the aeroplane, I guess. If to make it clear, we need glue. Okay, now let's take these two airplanes upon here. Okay, my magic spells are too good. Okay, first off, we're gonna put this on the bottom. Take the glue, first let's spread it up away. Put it aside and look at this airplane. As you can see, if the wing, look at this. From this, you must open the top part like this and glue it. And glue it. Like glue it in the middle. Oh, forget open, sorry. Go on the side, go on everywhere, so that it'll stick properly. I will suggest Uhu glum. Okay, that's for the first step of the last, something if you want to call it, is, so let's bring on the next different aeroplane. Okay, now stick this aeroplane, hold it up, open the top part like this, and put this down core of the holding place on top of this plane. On top of this plane. Like this. Then take the down core of the down plane, like here. So here hold it and squish it for the glue to stick. And wait maybe for just seconds because it sticks fast actually. And I can just dry it with my hands. Okay, fine, I'm just lying. What is this? It's still a magic. It's a YouTube magic. 3, 2, 1. And now it's stick. Okay, make sure it's sticky. But when we fly it, the top aeroplane and the down aeroplane will split up and go everywhere. And here it goes, our aeroplane. It flies very fast. Let me explain. Because this aeroplane on top that you stick on it is actually high up flying. That means it can last long in the air. But the down core is very fast, but can't go high very long seconds. So if you both combine equals floating and speeding in the same time. And thank you for watching. If you want to see it fly, you can watch more videos. In some of videos, I will show that some of the aeroplanes flying. Thank you and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.